One of the really nice new features in iOS 17 is that the lookup ability in Photos can do lots of new things, one of which is looking up symbols on your car dashboard. Now you might think, well, how useful is that actually going to be? But trust me, if your car breaks down, like mine did here, it's incredibly useful. All you have to do is take a photo of your dashboard with those warning lights lit up, and then Photos will tell you what they mean, which is handy because I wouldn't have a clue otherwise. At the bottom of the screen, you have that lookup button, the little eye, and when you tap onto it, you then get that sliding panel of information. There's now a new option for auto symbols, and when you tap on there, it will find any symbols they can recognise in your photo, and it'll give you a short description of what each one means. That means I can see just what parts of my car are broken, and how expensive that trip to the mechanic is going to be. Luckily, in my case, it turns out it's just a flat battery, but for some reason it ended up lighting up my whole dashboard like a Christmas tree, but it wasn't too bad to get it fixed. But this is a really handy feature to have that makes your iPhone better and more useful than before, now you've got iOS 17 installed. And if you want to see more things that have changed, check out this playlist at the end screen now, and that will get you up to speed on what's new. And if you enjoyed this video and you want some more, please do subscribe down below, that way you'll get loads more iPhone quick tips